We are now asking businesses that, look, we will help you in making money, because the more money they make, the more investment will come. But the only thing is, the money, as we create wealth, that wealth will be used to lift people out of poverty. So we want an equitable growth. We don't want the rich to get richer and the poor to get poorer. I'm really against this neoliberal economics where you have 62 people owning as much wealth as 3 billion people on this earth. I think that the distribution of growth should be equitable. But the last thing I want to say about what Sheikh Mohammed, I still remember. It's very important that to take risks in life. Sheikh Mohammed said that when 9/11 took place, he immediately called up Sheikh Ahmed and Emirates Airline and said, buy aircrafts and engines of aircraft, because everything went down, prices of planes went down, people were not flying as much.